So most importantly, we are starting off with a cast iron skillet. Apparently in PUBG, this is a weapon and it can deflect bullets. You can wear it on your back. We're gonna see if a bullet can be stopped with this pan with all of these, the array of different ammunition. So let's put this down right. Starting off with the revolver. So this is a Smith & Wesson 686 plus for 7 shot, 357 Magnum. Let's see. It's a genuine World War II 1911 as well, because I looked in the game and it looked like an older, worn down 1911. In the video game, it is the P92. This is the M9A3 from Beretta. It's the latest one, different color rail system, threaded barrel, a couple changes here and there. Oh man. Alright, now for the shotgun, again, I just went with the only 18-inch barrel shotgun I have, but this one here specifically is a Remington 870 Marine Magnum. Skillet. This is a Fox Model B from Savage Arms, chambered in 410, so double barrel shotgun. Yeah, right through. RAS 47, obviously going to demonstrate the AK-47. Alright, for the M16, this is the closest I could get. It's just an AR-15, AR platform, M4, M16 platform. They're all pretty much the same. Alright, up next is the Mini 14. Like I said, kind of looks like an SKS. Don't have an SKS. Skillet first. Oh, I like this. I might have to get one. Very nice. Alright, up next, M416 or the 416. Again, hard to find and very expensive in real life. It is a 5.56 non-AR, so in your head, imagine it being a SCAR, but we're also going to shoot the SCAR in 7.62x51. Alright, one that I'm really excited for. This is a personal one that I have but rarely shoot. It's just a showstopper. I've always wanted some kind of EBR. Okay, another little workaround here. So this is going to represent the M24. M24 in real life is a 7.62x51 or 308. Stocks. Up next is the Accuracy International AWM. In PUBG, it's also called the AWM. AWM for Arctic Warfare Magnum. But yeah, really sweet gun. Alright, and last but not least, the crossbow. There we are. And here is the skillet, all done. The only thing that got stopped by the skillet is the bird shot.